Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Push in on the two tabs on the front of the filter frame to remove it from the housing. Install your new AQ1058 filter into the tray. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, install your new AQ1058 filter into the housing. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.